The Fat Cat Party. In a beautiful, lush green forest a fat cat lived named Tomas. She loved to eat. All day long, she only thought about food. One day, Tomas made a decision. Tomorrow, I'll throw a big feast, but only for myself. She gathered all the fruits, milk, butter, and cake in the forest, but didn't invite any of her friends. The day of the feast arrived. The table was set, and the aroma of food spread throughout the forest. Rabby the rabbit, running faster, he wanted to join the party. Bulbul Queen, chirping happily to attend the party. And Tiki the turtle followed the delicious smell and came over. Is walking slowly but excited to reach in the party. They asked, "Are we invited too?" Tomas arrogantly replied, "No. This is all just for me." The friends quietly walked away. Tomas began eating alone. But halfway through, her stomach started to hurt badly. She began to cry. "Oh! If only my friends were here, they'd take care of me." Just then, the friends returned. Rabby the rabbit brought medicine, Bulbul Queen sang a lullaby, and Tiki the turtle gently massaged her tummy. Tomas said with shame, "Please forgive me. Next time, I'll celebrate with everyone." Everyone laughed, and together they finished the feast. Now, Tomas shares her food every day and says, "Happiness grows when you share it."